Evening. So now we are going to have a look on this motherboard. This is Acer motherboard, whereby my customer sent for the repair. So some of the customers don't understand what does it means by ATI, Nvidia, and Intel. So now I'm going to demonstrate a GPU. Okay, the GPU is a Nvidia GPU. So let me have a look here. Is it? Let me have a look here. Let a bit zoom. Yeah, it's a Nvidia GPU. Basically, this Nvidia GPU plays role. Okay, this Nvidia GPU plays a role in your laptop to provide the graphics. Well, people sometimes ask us what they understand by reballing, reflowing, chip change. So actually, I show you on here how this GPU can spoil. Okay, how this GPU can spoil. When we have a look closer a bit, you check the closer, you can see the white tiny dots. Okay, actually what is that? That is the balls. So how these balls works on the motherboard? First, I tell you the concept. Normally here will be the processor, here will be the fan, and here will be the GPU. So the GPU, the processor, and the fan. So this Nvidia and this processor and this fan, there is a heatsink connected to from here to there to there. So while this is the area of the fan situated, so this fan will spin and release the heat from the processor and also from the Nvidia GPU. Just let's say if your fan clogged with the dust, maybe your fan is from here to here, your fan is clogged with the dust, maybe this part is clogged and this part is okay. What happened, this processor will get hot and this GPU will get hot too. Why the GPU and the processor, comparing both, why the GPU can spoil easily? The reason you can see here. Now we are having a look closer some more on the motherboard. Okay, now you can see that there are more than thousand of dots there. Actually it's not a dot, it's a balls. It's a small tiny balls. So these balls made up of some aluminum materials, something like you can see this. Okay, so this board made of that. So with this help of these balls, okay, with the help of these balls, normally this GPU will be placed. Okay, let me see. Now I'm placing the GPU on it. So this GPU will be placed like this in the motherboard. So what happened, this GPU now this GPU attached on the motherboard with the balls. I show you. Okay, with the balls. So these balls will attach the GPU with the motherboard. With the helping of that balls, actually the balls will transfer the data from the GPU itself. When the balls, because of due to overheat, or maybe you use for 3 to 5 years the laptop, due to overheat, maybe you are a heavy gamer, so these balls could melt. When the first ball melt, when normally you will have on display problem, you start from maybe no display for a while, after you turn off, then again you leave it on, you'll got display. So this is how it works. So what we will do normally, we will take out this GPU. Okay, this GPU, actually this GPU taken out by machine. Okay, we have a GPU machine, so that machine will take out this GPU and we will put it back and we will put a new GPU on this and we will resolder back. Okay, the resoldering method is not by hand, it's by a machine. So when you change this one single GPU, it can last long. So don't ever try to send to any shops who can do a very easy jobs. Easy jobs means actually this GPU can blow. Means with the use of heat gun, we just blow. Okay, make the GPU get hot and will rebuild. Okay, reattach the GPU with the motherboard. It's the best idea, but just imagine your laptop you're using from morning to night, so you're playing games. So just a small attaching just a small reballing or just a small blow, do you think it can last long for months, for weeks, for years? Normally changing is only the best solution for this kind of GPUs. It can last long for minimum 1 or 2 years.